Okay, sorry about that because my mom was calling me. This is like air conditioners part 3. Here's an Amana with a sound blanket. 2016 2-ton. Gotta get out of here. All I wanted to film was that Amana. Or, to be honest, guys, I never filmed Amana units before. Actually, I feel like I'm having like a fun time over here. Everything. So there's like a couple of air conditioners. There's 2 Goodman units right there. So I hate when dog barks at me. People having chihuahuas and everything. That one's pretty loud right there. This one's from 2009. Okay, so this is how Goodman takes over. That's a Nordyne way over there. It's a illegible nameplate. So I don't know what nameplate that is. Here's a Goodman. That one's a Rude. 2007, 2.5 ton. Here's a Rude. 2016, 2.5 ton. More Goodman and Rheem units. Oh shit, hold on. I think the camera lens are dirty and everything. Okay, there we go. I think it's focused, right? Not pretty sure if they're focused or not. There's another Nordyne right there. I'm pretty surprised about it. Rheem and Rude right there. Oh, it's a Westinghouse. Another Westinghouse. High efficiency. It's from 2004. It's a 2.5 ton. This thing is nice, actually. It looks like my aunt's neighbor's. I like that unit. Yeah, there's a York right there. This one has a screech sound. I mean, is that the fan motor or the compressor? It's the York Olympian series. Let's see if I can tell by the data sheet. Okay, it's a 2.5 ton from 2001. It's a 2.5 ton from 2001. So. There's a Goodman. I don't feel like getting on that. At first I thought Nordyne will be a Frigidaire because I've seen Frigidaire air conditioners like that Westinghouse, but I never expected to be a Westinghouse air conditioner. Like, it looks pretty rare, to be honest. So there's a Goodman on that side. Right there's a Gibson. And Gibson. I don't feel like getting on that. Oh, one of them just started up. There's 2 Rheems right here, and this is the one that just started up. It's fry painting the ground. 2017. This thing is brand new. Wow, this thing is new. There's a Rheem right there. It's a classic series. And right here, it's a Trane, I think. Micro channel coils. Trane. Oh, this was installed just like how I filmed the other unit back in that condo. It's from 2013. 2-ton. There's a York and a Garrison right there. I wish I could film on that. But yeah, you know how people sometimes like get in trouble, but oh, that's a Goodman. I thought that would be a GMC or Goodman. That's the same thing. First time seeing that. Wow. Just kind of surprised on that. Okay, these are obviously the last ones right here. There's a Goodman ring, and it's... I'm gonna make this quick because it might be someone in that. This thing is brand new. Wow. I knew that. It's from 2017. 2-ton. That's a ream. 2 reams right there. So, anyways, over and out. So, I'll see you guys in part 4. Yeah.